So, moment you come and spend some month in Chargebee, you will know the degree of the complexity that the problem that you are trying to solve.
There is the invoicing component, there is the payment gateway, and then there is this whole billing intelligence layer. All of that needs to come together to solve a business problem which is related to billing and payments for a customer.
Chargebee is a complex product, so whatever you start with, it has multiple modules. It will interconnect with each and every module. So it is like a team product. You have to cooperate with other teams and come up with a specific solution.
It is not just the architecture of the app that is important, it's also the architecture of the company that's important.
It started off as just four of us starting a company out of an apartment and then wanting to learn how to build an organization together, right?
The initial reason why we wanted to we joined up together and sort of build a company was to see if we can create an organization where people love to come and work.
The founders have always been about trying to understand what the other person's mind is thinking right now, what the other person's situation is.
I have a 3-year-old at home, and I was very particular about my timings. Most of our clients are outside India, so the rest of my team works in the night shift. But they told me that I can still work in what needs to be done here within the time that I want to work. So they're very flexible that way.
It is actually a fantastic place for women to work.
Small things, right? Most companies, you have a games room. It's mostly the guys who go and play, and girls watch out. Okay, are there no guys? Okay, let me go and play. But here there's nothing. I mean, we fight for the TT bat.
We are more of a family. Okay, so whatever we do with as a family culture.
The roles are pretty flexible. You tell them what is it that you want, and you tell them your trajectory, and if you are very clear on that, they will ensure that they map it out for you.
So even if you come into Chargebee and say you don't like coding or you don't like doing something, you can always switch inside Chargebee. You can be whatever you want.
The recognitions will happen here immediately because we don't have much levels here.
Hardly 3 layers of degree from the topmost management and founders to people who do real work.
I can go and approach anybody. Nobody thinks, oh, my designation is this, I should not talk to them. Frankly speaking, other than the founders and the directors, nobody knows anybody else's designation. There are very few Indian brands which are global, which are aspirational brands, and that is what Chargebee is trying to be.
One of the biggest learnings working with a global customer base is that your customer base is very diverse, and it is important to have a very diverse workforce that challenges all your assumptions and also pushes the boundaries of ways in which you get things done. We are born in Chennai but built for the world.
The longer term mission is again to keep the same startup culture, to think of it as a micro startup where people are able to learn the end-to-end thing, what you get out of a startup. At the same time, also have the world-class processes that ensures we have robust quality.
You should be in a place where they are genuinely invested in you as a person.
When we take care of our people, they take care of the customers, and eventually it takes care of the business.